Howdy all, Nimby here. Today we're going to be tying up a Damsel Fly Nymph. We're going to be doing it in a Chartreuse Green. You're going to grab your marabou tips and tie in 6 for the tail on top of the hook shank. 1 thread wrap underneath will help them stand up nice and proud. And we'll tie in some fine ultra wire in green. And tie in the rest of the marabou plume. Then going to wrap this up the body a little bit past the halfway mark. Just touching turns and tie it off there. Then cut off the waist, clean it up, and then wrap our ultra wire in reverse, counter wraps all the way up to that just past the halfway mark. Then secure it, helicopter it off, and grab your Swiss straw. In this case, it's a synthetic Swiss straw. We're going to fold it up about 4 times, give it a full gap height, and wrap it in up at the top. Now we'll be adding some green monofilament that will melt and make some eyes, and we'll secure those on top of the hook, a little bit back from the eye of the hook. And use some figure 8 wraps to secure it. If you need to, you can also use a little bit of head cement or super glue as well. We're going to add a little bit of wax to the thread here, and some dubbing wax, and add in a little bit of chartreuse dubbing with a little bit of seal's fur and some synthetic, just to fill in the thorax. A couple wraps up front, and 1 or 2 wraps after the eye. They'll fill it in real nice. 3 to 6 strands of pheasant rump on either side for the legs. We're going to tie that first clump in here and get rid of the waist. And we'll tie in the second clump beside it and get rid of the waist. Perfect. And pull the Swiss straw over, tie it in just behind the eye, flip it and tie it in front of the eye. Then pull it back, tie it in again behind the eye. We'll cut it off right at the thorax mark there and give it a whip finish to finish it up. That'll give you a nice thorax bump and a nice wing case. You can cut a little bit of a V-notch into it if you like and color it up with some Sharpies. This really gives it some extra life. And just smudge it a bit with your fingers, or if you like, you can use a little rag. And a dab of head cement just in where you did the whip finish there, just to seal everything. If you like, you can add a dash of Sally Hansen's on top to give it a nice shiny clear finish. And there you have a nice green damselfly. This is excellent for spring and early summer. Add a couple to your box, a wonderful little thing.